Hello everyone, I am Madhu.
And I'm Valentina.
Today we are going to share what is the twin flame secret. So, are you interested to listen to us? What gave us the success to claim our harmonious union? So, we would like to share that with you so that you claim your harmonious union easily.
Exactly. We know all the secrets because we're in union, so we can absolutely share them with you. They're not to be kept a secret. We want you to use these techniques to come into union and harmonious union with your twin flames. Absolutely.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So the
So,
first
you want to start? Okay, go
we
ahead.
always do this. So the first secret is to love your twin flame unconditionally. It doesn't matter what happens. They've got a girlfriend, they've got a boyfriend, they're married to someone else, they've got kids with someone else. Nothing matters. All that matters is that's your twin flame, and you must love them unconditionally, hold space for them. Don't get into patterns of ego like jealousy or feeling less than because they're with someone else. It does not matter. And also do not connect with feelings of anger and resent. Don't argue with them about it. Just do your inner work, because the way you heal is from inside and not outside controlling. That does not work. Healing inside is the way to do it. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, basically, what happens when you love someone unconditionally? Because what happens is currently the consciousness is in separation. At this moment, when you are talking about unconditional love, it is actually triggering people in a negative way. That, oh my God, he is doing all the thing or she is doing all the thing, that does not look normal or right. And here I am asked to love unconditionally. That does not feel good, right? But basically you need to go deeper and see and really experience it. What happens to you when you love someone unconditionally? Okay, have you ever loved anybody unconditionally? How do you feel? You can just do an experiment with yourself, that you just go angry with anybody and just check with your body, how do you feel in your body, right? And then you just sit back with yourself and love someone. If at the moment you are not able to love your twin flame, then love a baby and then just feel how does it really feel to experience that love within yourself, right? And that is the difference. The vibration or the feeling that you feel within your body is the key, because your body is the magnet, right? It is the most dense form in your consciousness, because all other dimensions are like, in the like in a very dense, like in a very light energy. It is very big but it is light. But your body is very dense energy, even if it is 3D, but you express everything through the body and you experience everything through the body. Your energy in other dimension can work in favor of you when the energy within the body is in alignment with love. Otherwise what happens is all your energy is constantly trying to direct the love vibration within you, but within your body you are blocked. You talk about kundalini, right? So in all your kundalini you are blocked with different vibration, that's why you don't feel the love. So basically what happens is the energy or the love within you is not in union with the love with your higher dimensional vibration, right? And then in that thing, then even if your higher self or your God is trying to guide you in towards the direction how you can manifest your twin flame, you will not be able to receive anything within your body, because your body is engaged in the contrast, anger, resentment, any contrast, poverty, anything that does not feel good. If you in your body you are like constantly feeling not good, pain, hurt and all these things, then how can you receive the love that universe has for you, right? So the secret is how do you feel in your body. If you are feeling unconditional love, nothing can be stopped, everything will be magnetized towards you. That's the secret.
It is indeed. Yeah. So yeah, and really, your twin flame is your key to your ascension. And that is a huge secret, and not many people know that. They just think that their twin flame is like a special kind of soulmate, just a romantic relationship. They don't realise that their twin flame is everything, you know, like their teacher, their partner, their friends, their lover, and they're the biggest key to their ascension. So it's really important. So basically, with your twin flame, you need to always have unconditional love for them, respect them always, and what were the other points? I can't remember. There were
That's
quite a
okay.
lot of points that
Just
we all
feel
had.
in. Yeah, just feel into your heart and share whatever God is guiding you. Just release that. You're putting a lot of expectation, right? Yeah. Just release that. Yeah.
So much better now.
Yeah, that's okay. I just wanted to elaborate one thing is how you can use your twin flame as a secret. Because your twin flame, if you just talk about, okay, I'll go and do my spiritual work, there is a lot you can do, spiritually to connect with God, right? But what happens when you have a twin flame, all that you need to do is just work on the thing that your twin flame is mirroring. That is why it is very, it is said that twin flame is your shortcut to God, because you are not going to work on everything. Okay, only just work on the thing that your twin flame is mirroring, and you are done. Okay, that may feel heavy to you, but it is actually the easiest way to connect with God. All that you need to do, because that is where the block is. Your twin flame is helping you to see the block so that you can go closer to God, and it is easy to do that. And the third thing and the key thing is your relationship with God itself, right? How do you feel? What is your personal relationship with God? How do you use that relationship in your everyday life? Are you living with with God, like God is outside of me, like the way, like I was very spiritual in my childhood also. I spent a lot of time around temple and puja and everything, like worshiping God and all that thing. But the experience that I had with my twin flame journey just shifted my experience with God itself, right? Earlier it was like God is somebody who is going to give me, and I will always be upset if good things are not happening with me. Only through my twin flame awakening I got to know that the good things comes to me because of my vibration, or the vibration that I am holding within me. And my twin flame helped me to see, the truly what I am learning from Valentina is like a transcendental experience completely, right? Today there was something new. We are slowly coming into harmonious energy, and that same consciousness has started flowing through both of us. Just a small thing that happened, one idea flows through her, and the exact idea flow through me. And that was just within me, and did not share it with her. And then she texted me, okay, this is what I feel. And I was like, oh my god, this is what I wanted to do, right?
And what was the thing? The YouTube video. I
Yeah,
wrote my do,
yeah.
and I just said, because I was thinking, oh, I really want to make another YouTube video. So we had our group coaching, and then I said to him before the coaching, how do you feel about making a YouTube video with me after the group coaching? And he replied, oh yes, and well, you share your part, yeah.
Yeah,
He
so
already
this,
thought.
yeah, this is what it happened, and this is what is going to happen deeper you go. Currently it feel like, whatever you are trying to experience, they are not showing up to partner with you. It's only because there is block, there is a lack of harmony there. Deeper you go in harmony within yourself and with God, you don't have to take that effort. It is done. Like, deeper we are doing our healing, things are coming into natural harmony. She asked, I was ready by myself. She did not put a effort to convince me, right? And when I am doing something, as she is going deeper into divine dish, and getting into healing her food and all that thing, I am feeling naturally called to do cooking. All of a sudden I'll do some cooking and send her pictures, and I have not been cooking from a long time, right? So this is how it happens. You really don't have to take any effort when it comes to twin flame, because the way you feel, they feel it, and they will do it by themselves. You really don't have to force them, or convince them. Those are all soulmate thing. Or you have to make them agree with you. No, you don't have to. Those are not the soul relationship, right? Like if it is you are connected with God, the same thought or the same consciousness is going to flow through you, flow through them at the same time, and then you will always be guided in the same direction, because it is always the same path, right? And that is how you got to know. And your union is always going to supported by God, because this is how your creator created you together. So know the truth of twin flame, so that you don't get confused with the soulmate energy, because we have seen in the consciousness most of the twin flame journeys are not moving forward, because there is a lot of soulmate pattern that is happening. So come out of the soulmate pattern and really claim your twin flame as if you are claiming yourself. Okay, and that is how the secret is, that claim yourself, love yourself, and then just see, just get the fruit from your twin flame. That's the easy way.
Get the what, sorry?
I said,
The fruit or the food?
yeah, the fruit.
Or the fruit?
Yeah, just do the inner work and just harvest, get ready to harvest the fruit. It will be ready automatically. You don't have to put effort.
Yeah, and basically, like, when you make a choice, you don't say to yourself, oh, did I make that choice? Did I make it yet? No, you go, okay, I made the choice to cook today. You're going to make the same choice. I'm going to cook today. Do you know what I mean? It's the same choice. It's the same soul. It's the same being. It's your consciousness together with them. And so don't worry about whether they're making the same choice or not. When they're not physically, showing that they're making the same choice externally, it means that there's just a block there to heal. So just heal the block, anything that's upsetting you about the situation, and just choose peace and move forward.
Yeah. And yeah, I feel complete with this. We'll come back with more videos. Thank you.
I feel complete too. Bye-bye. Thank you.